We are young but very smart. We're superheroes who impress your customers and boost your productivity. We have created Intelisale with largest B2B wholesale and distribution companies in mind. Intelisale's solution has all the power you need to reshape sales strategy and become digitally driven. It is not just sales team that gets empowered, but also your pricing, customer service, operations, IT, marketing and finance working as one. Our current solution perform over 1 million various transactions daily. Provide the platform which will use the OriginTrail to store the data regarding orders on blockchain, and it will give the overview of all orders to the customers. This solution allows the interoperability between the completely different ERPs, various stakeholders within company and among business partners. We believe that blockchain technology can provide us new layer of services with current and additional customers by providing them all the benefits of that technology, trust, immutability and provenance. We have the possibility of providing this solution to enormous number of customers. OriginTrail can be available to great number of users really fast and all over the world. We will do the integration between the various enterprise resource planning and OriginTrail, which may be interesting to other projects. Our experience with integrations and existing network of clients are our greatest asset.